Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by booting from your Windows 7 DVD or a prepared USB recovery drive. This gives you the tools to repair startup. Once the media loads, choose Repair Your Computer and select the target OS. This locates the correct boot configuration. Make sure to disconnect printers and external drives to prevent driver locks. You need admin credentials to run advanced tools, and if you have a system image, note its location now so you can restore files if needed. You run Startup Repair to automatically detect and fix boot issues. It often repairs BCD and missing files. If it reports problems still exist, open Command Prompt and run bootrec/fixmber, bootrec/fixboot, then bootrec/rebuild to rebuild the bootloader. This sequence repairs master boot record and configuration data. Next, run chkdskc/f/r to find and repair file system errors and bad sectors. Let it finish fully. You finish by removing the recovery media and rebooting to test a normal startup. This confirms the repairs worked. If the PC still fails, restore a system image or roll back to a system restore point to revert recent changes that broke boot files. If problems continue, check hardware. Verify SATA mode and BIOS, run a memory test, and reset the HDD/SSD cables. Software repairs fail when hardware is unstable. As a key tip, always record error messages. They guide the next diagnostic step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.